This is a difficult situation for white. White's ice space is very broken because black can jump in here and significantly reduce white's ice space. And of course, if white plays anything on the corner, black will just reduce white's ice space, and this is already too small to make a living shape. So what should white do? White might think about this, right? Might think if black plays here, now this will be a living shape. Looks promising. But of course, black can play something else, and black can play here. If white plays this, then once again, the ice space is too small, or black can play this too. If white plays this, then this becomes a problem for black. Black should play here, white protects this real eye, and black destroys it like this. So white cannot succeed this way. So the correct move for white is not too easy to think of. Is to bend here first and then play this move. Right? Playing here would be just like one of the variations I showed you. But playing here, right, now it might make a difference because black can't play at number 1 anymore. So if black plays this, now we'll have a ko, right? White can only play this. Black plays here, white protects this real eye, but this eye will become a ko. Now here's a ko. Of course, black can try other moves. What if black plays here, right? If white connects, now the eye space is once again too small, right? White will be dead. So white cannot connect at number 5. White needs to be careful and play this move once again. So if black captures, now we're back to one of the previous scenarios. If black plays here, once again, white needs to be careful. White cannot play this because black can play this. And now this will be a dead shape, right? Because this eye will be a fake eye. So white must play, and white cannot connect, right? Again, this will be dead. So white has to play this move. And now we have a ko. This is the correct answer. This is the best ko for black because black is in control of which ko to start, right? So black can start this ko. If black wins, of course, black can capture everything. If white wins the ko, eventually, right, white can capture this. So it's a 2-step ko, really. If black connects here, then of course, white will be able to live like this. If black doesn't care, then white can capture like this. This will still be a living shape. So this is how the ko might end. So overall, this is a pretty tough problem. I think the takeaway first should be the initial analysis I did, figuring out that white's eye space is not enough. And second, finding this ko. And finding all these moves is not easy. Take some tries, take some calculations. But as long as you practice enough, practice every day, just for a little bit, you will see great improvements over the long run. Good luck and see you next time.